presents Squad Quads in 3D. Action! Looks like we had a couple of tornadoes yesterday.
Yeah, at least they're not as bad as the tornado in Joplin, Missouri a couple years ago.
How big was that one?
My little pad stays in EF5.
What's an EF5?
And an EF5 tornado is the highest on an enhanced Padita scale. That means that winds over 200 miles per hour.
Wow, was there a lot of damage?
Yeah, there was over $2.2 billion in damage.
How many people were hurt?
160 people died and more than 990 were injured. Some of them died after being buried by debris and waited for help to arrive.
That's sad. There should be a way to find her.
Yeah.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, look, the clouds are green.
It's a funnel cloud and it's heading our way.
Oops.
Captain, look at all this damage. All the houses are destroyed. That must have been a pretty powerful tornado.
Yes, it is probably an EF4 or EF5 on the enhanced Vegeta scale. Strong enough to destroy houses like these.
Wow, with so much destruction, there must be a lot of people that need our help. How are we going to find them all?
Well, we used to use trained dogs to help us search for survivors.
Trained dogs? Isn't that too slow? What if the victims need our help right now?
Yes, the dogs were slow, but don't worry, now we have the squad quads to help us search for victims.
Squad quads? What exactly are squad quads?
Here's one. These squad quads are a bunch of small quadric aircraft that allow us to fin out over an area and help search it quickly. Let's visualize the squad quads. 3, 2, 1.
There we go.
These squad quads have thermal imaging sensors that allow us to detect body heat emitted by victims. They also have a camera that allows us to take pictures of the surroundings. They have a GPS that allows us to look at the coordinates of the victims. And they also have a microphone and speaker to help us communicate with the victims. Let's take a look at the overhead view.
Cool, but why so many? We must have a couple dozen squad quads with us.
Well, it's a squad quad swarm. A squad quad swarm is a large number of squad quads that communicate with each other. And they sort of do not bump into each other at all. Let's take a look at the overhead view, as I said before.
So much destruction. Where do we start looking?
Well, we'll search across the whole area in a line. Let's take a look at one of the squad quad's cameras.
Captain, how do we find anyone buried under that debris?
Let's activate the thermal imaging sensor.
Look, we found 2 victims.
I'll send a squad quad in to communicate with them. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we need help.
Don't worry, help is on the way. Let's look at the overhead view once more.
We finally found 8 victims and a gas leak. Good thing we have the squad quads with us.
Yeah, now let's go help the victims. All that is